How do I download Peacock TV on my device?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing the Peacock TV app on your device. Whether you have a smartphone, a tablet, or a smart TV, we've got you covered.
What is Peacock TV?
Peacock TV is a streaming service offered by NBC Universal. It gives you access to a range of content, including TV shows, movies, live sports, and news. Now, let's dive into how you can get this fantastic app on your device.
Downloading Peacock TV on your smartphone or tablet.
If you're using an Android device, head to the Google Play Store, and if you're on an iOS device, open your App Store. 1. Open your respective App Store and search for Peacock TV. 2. Click on the app in the search results. 3. Click on Install for Android or Get for iOS to download the app. Remember, you need to be logged into your account on these app stores to complete the download.
Downloading Peacock TV on your smart TV.
Downloading Peacock TV on a smart TV varies slightly based on the brand. Generally, you will follow these steps. 1. Open the App Store or Content Store on your smart TV. 2. Search for Peacock TV. 3. Select the app and click on Install or Add to download. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet to download apps.
Creating a Peacock TV account.
After you've downloaded the app, you need to create an account or log in if you already have one to start streaming content. 1. Open the Peacock TV app on your device. 2. Select Sign Up or Log In. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in. And that's how you can download and install Peacock TV on your device. With the Peacock TV app, you'll have a vast library of entertainment right at your fingertips. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy streaming!